How to log in into Costco Citi Card account online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Costco Citi Card login and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Click on the very first one, website option, citi.com, open it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Citibank. Now over here, you will find this option of sign on. Click on it. You will land to the login page. Now you have to fill this. Provide your credentials of Citi account. Firstly, type in your user ID. Once you type in your user ID, type in your password. In the case you have forgotten your user ID or password, you can click on these options to recover it. If you want to remember your user ID, check in for this option. Once you fill this, click on the option of sign on, and with that you will be logged into your account. If you haven't registered for your Citi account yet, you can click on this option of register for online access and do that. So that's all for this video. This is how you can easily log in into Costco Citi Card account online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.